Where can I use my Mastercard gift card?
Hello there, wonderful viewers. Today, we're going to dive into the world of Mastercard gift cards, specifically where you can use them. So, if you've just received one, stay tuned to make the most out of it.
What is a Mastercard gift card?
A Mastercard gift card is a type of prepaid card loaded with a certain amount of money. It's a fantastic gift because it offers flexibility and convenience. Instead of guessing what someone might want for a gift, you can give them a Mastercard gift card, and they can use it to buy something they really want.
Where can I use my Mastercard gift card?
This is the most important part of our discussion today. Where can you use your Mastercard gift card? The great news is, you can use your Mastercard gift card almost anywhere Mastercard debit cards are accepted. This includes physical stores. Walk into any store, select your desired item, and present your gift card at the checkout point. Online shopping. Use it on e-commerce websites for your online purchases. Be sure to input the card details correctly when checking out. Restaurants and cafes. Treat yourself to a nice meal or a cup of coffee with your gift card. Gas stations. Need to fill up your tank? Your gift card can cover that too. Phone and mail orders. You can use your Mastercard gift card for these types of orders as well. However, do note that not all businesses accept gift cards, especially for recurring bill payments, so it's always a good idea to check with the merchant beforehand.
Can I use my Mastercard gift card internationally?
You might be wondering if you can use your gift card abroad. Well, it depends on the specific gift card you have. Some Mastercard gift cards are usable internationally wherever Mastercard is accepted. However, others may be restricted to domestic use only. Always check the terms and conditions of your specific card to avoid any inconvenience. That wraps up our discussion on where you can use your Mastercard gift card. Remember, the beauty of these gift cards is their flexibility. They give you the freedom to get what you truly want. So go ahead, get out there, and make the most of your Mastercard gift card. Happy shopping!